begun. The piers for my tiny house foundation are in. Every one of these holes goes down 36 inches or 34 inches. And at the bottom it's 2 foot by 2 foot. At the top of the hole is 12 by 12, and then there's a 16 by 16 pad on the very top that holds the brackets for the 6 by 6 posts, which are over there. That will hold the bottom, or hold the rim joists of the tiny house, and one out in the middle to kind of support the metal, I guess. Next stage will be digging out this area to put in the foundation for the rocket mass heater, because it's a separate foundation from the rest of the house, which is a challenge, but we'll do it. Anyway, check back with me from time to time. There will be videos on the YouTube channel as I get farther from this, but it will be nice to be able to walk out of a door that's like right there and be at work. See y'all later. Okay, tiny house update number 1. Well, actually this is number 2, I guess. First one was the first one. But anyway, the little posts are on the pads. Took all the forms off. Pile of forms. Anyway, I make these little cripple posts, and the rim joist will go by these. I'll be notching them out and putting the rim joist on. And I got the rocket mass heater foundation poured. That was a lot of cement, like 32 bags. Yeah, and I can only mix 2 at a time, so it took a while. Anyway, and digging it took a while too. But here's one corner, the other corner, 2 posts, another corner. There we go, 4 corners, and then 1 post out in the middle. So yeah, this is quite a project. I hope to have rim joist and the floor joist in by the end of the day tomorrow, but we'll see how that works out. Anyway, until next time, here we go.